I'm Viv, and today's tip is about making overnight oats with your favorite beverage for breakfast. I'm going to use tea. What I'm going to do is simmer some milk because you want it hot enough to steep your tea. Now that it's simmering, it's time to add the tea bags. I'm going to use chai. While this is infusing for a few minutes, we're going to make our oats base. What you're going to need some rolled oats. Then I'm going to add some flaxseed, brown sugar because I like it sweet, some yogurt, and just a little pinch of salt. A little pinch of spice because I like how warm spices are. So I'm going to choose cinnamon this time. You can use nutmeg. Now that the milk has infused with the tea, I'm going to remove the tea bags, pour it directly into my mason jar. I'm going to give it a quick stir and pop it in the fridge. And now I'm going to night-night. Morning, sunshine. I'm starving, so I need to eat those oats now. Ooh. I'm gonna top it with some shredded coconut, some sliced bananas, and another pinch of cinnamon. Yum. So creamy, so easy. I'm ready for the day.